Hey guys, it's Corey from Core Survival, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an improved waterproof match. I made a waterproof match video a long time ago. I can't even remember when I made that. But this is going to be more of an improved one. It's kind of going to be kind of like a match candle. So hope you guys like this one. Alrighty guys, so I've got some wax already in here. And I'm just going to keep continuing here. You're just going to need to get yourself a candle. It's got to be a non-scented candle. And just a knife that you're going to ruin by getting wax all over it. So, go ahead and just add wax to the pan. Alright, so once you get a good amount of wax here, what you're going to do is go ahead and go down to your stove, and you're just going to turn it on a low heat. If it's too high of a heat, it can ignite and cause a fire. You don't want that. And for matches, I've just got some, open it upside down. Got some Strike Anywhere matches here. I prefer these matches because I could literally just take it and strike it. Hold on a minute. Let me get a better one. Some of these, you want one with a good white tip. And normally, see? You just strike it on anything. But since we're covering it in wax, it really doesn't matter. But in a survival situation, if I didn't have these as waterproof matches, I like Strike Anywhere matches better than normal matches. Alrighty, now we need a pair of tongs. I'm just going to wash these up real quick. Alright, so I got these all washed up. And I'm just going to stir this until it gets completely melted. And I will be right back. Alright, I got my wax all melted here. And you want to make sure you got yourself at least like a layer of newspaper or a paper towel set down, because you don't want to get this stuff on the counter either. Let me see here. You're going to need to take a match. I'm going to set it to the side. Now you can use paper towels or toilet paper for this. All you're going to do is just take it, just a little piece here. And normally what I do is just measure it up to the match. I'm going to cut it about right here. So I just got a pair of scissors here. And just cut a bunch of these strips, because each strip is going to be a for a match. And I'm just kind of guesstimating. Alright, now what you're going to do is just take your match here, get it up to the top, and just roll it up in the paper towel. Alright, now what you're going to do is just going to take the very end of it and dip it in. And just seal it off there. And then you're also going to go and do the back side and then do another another coat on the front. Just going to turn this down a little bit. The oil's kind of popping. Just do a quick little dunk like that. And these take a little bit to dry and a little bit of time to make, but once you make them, you've got a lot of fire, like or a long time of fire with each one of these. It's a great way to make fire also. You just kind of want to just pinch it down and make sure it's sealed. This one's already starting to dry. I'm just going to go ahead and re-wet down. You can do like more than one coat. But you just want to seal it. Just like that. Woo! You just get it all sealed up. Alrighty, and then any of the wax you got on your fingers, you just put right back in the pan there. I'm just gonna let these dry here, and I'm also gonna roll up some more and make some more, and I'll be right back. So, as pretty much you're just gonna keep on adding more and more dips with your match until you got a nice smooth finish, and it's nicely sealed together. And as you can see, it's still down here, it's still it doesn't have any wax, so now I'm just going to work on the bottom part of it. And you just dip that in too, and you're just going to spin that. As you can see, it kind of looks like a candle almost. And then pretty much once you get that all done, you just set that to the side. And I've already got one here that I got done. It's just drying out here. But yeah, you just keep going. You just do one side then the other. Normally the last side only requires one dip. It doesn't really require too many. You just keep spinning it until it's all sealed up. Got one fully dried here. Kind of looks like a candle. Now, I got wax all over my fingers. Don't mind the wax. This is kind of a messy thing. But once you do get it done and you want to use it, you just scrape the wax off the tip. Get a nice scrape. So you got a nice exposed surface. And you have your striker here with you. And as you can see, burning just like a candle. Even hold it upside down just a little bit just to get it going. But you got a good 5 to 7 minutes of fire right here. And it's waterproof. And I would consider this like the super waterproof match, honestly. Compared to my last video. I think that's what I'm going to name this video, is the super waterproof match. Just real quick. Get this some water on here. Put it out. Over there. I'm just going to show you real quick that these are waterproof. Just going to soak it in some water real quick. Okay. Now anytime your tinder does get wet, of course, dry it off. Oop. Get as much of that moisture off as possible. Alright, and then once again, scrape off the tip. And then strike the side. And kind of hold it upside down just so it can get that toilet paper going, or that paper towel, or whatever you're using. And there you go. You have a nice sustainable flame there, and it's waterproof. So that is how you make the super waterproof match. As you can see here they are. I was kind of making a little bit of a joke earlier, kind of putting these on like a birthday cake if you guys have like a friend or something that's into outdoor bushcraft and survival. I thought this would be kind of funny as like a little birthday candle. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and leave a like down below. Ask a question or comment. I'd love to hear from you guys. I post things like this every week, so if you guys like to see something like this or anything else like this, go ahead and check out my channel and subscribe. I also do a lot of fishing videos, particularly trout fishing. So if you guys like things like that too, go ahead and check out my channel. I've got some great content. As always, keep living, keep fishing, and I'll see you guys in the next video.